In this video, I'll clearly explain when to use a class, struct, or record in C#. Classes, structs, and records might seem similar, but each has its specific use cases. First, classes. Use classes when you need objects with complex behaviors, or if you require reference-type semantics. Notice here, I created two identical objects of a person class, but when I check if they're equal, it returns false. This is because classes by default compare references, not values. Next, let's look at structs. Structs are great for small, lightweight, value-based types that are immutable or rarely change. Here, when we compare two structs containing the same values, we get true. Structs perform value equality by default, making them ideal for simple data structures. Finally, let's examine records, introduced in C#9. Records are perfect for data-holding types that should be immutable and easily compared by values. Here, we see clearly that comparing two records with the same data returns true. Records automatically handle value-based equality and make your code cleaner. To recap clearly, use classes for reference types or when your objects have complex behaviors or stateful changes. Use structs for small, lightweight, value-based data. Use records when you need immutable data with automatic value-based equality. Understanding these differences helps you write clearer, more efficient, and more readable code. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, and follow for more clear explanations of C# features and best practices.